In this video, we are going to discuss teacher wellness and well-being from a stress science perspective. There are many aspects of well-being. In the previous video, we shared how social emotional learning, SEL, and competencies impact wellness. In this video, we will focus on exploring how stress impacts well-being from the stress science perspective. What will you gain from this video? You will first watch a stress science video that will help you understand what to focus on in stressful situations while maintaining your well-being. After watching the video, we will return to this video and do a few guided activities that help you apply stress science to your own situation. Through these activities, you will be able to define your stress experience in your own words and identify your top stressors. You will gain awareness of how your stressors connect to your mind, body, emotion, behavior, reactions, and your wellness. After you have better awareness of your stress and well-being, you will then set a few goals for keeping up your well-being and wellness. Finally, you will explore and identify a few strategies to practice daily that will help you achieve your wellness goals. No worry, we will guide you through the process. Please pause this video and watch the stress science video in the learning folder. You will return to this video later. Happy exploring. Welcome back. Let's do a few exercises to apply stress science to your stress management. We hope that through this journey you will be more aware of your strengths and limitations. You will then be able to strengthen your stress management skills and become a stress buster and conquer stress more effectively. Let's first use your own words to define what stress means to you. You will then identify your top 3 to 5 stressors. To help you identify your stressors, you may review the list on this page. These are common stressors that adults and teachers experience frequently. You can write down your ideas and notes in the teacher's workbook. Please pause the video while you are doing the activity. Now, I want you to think about how your top stressors impact you. You can start this exercise by picking one of your stressors. Think about when you encounter this stress or challenge, what goes through your mind, what is your attitude toward this challenge, do you tend to think negatively about the problem, or do you tend to think positively and think you can overcome the challenge? Next, think about how your body reacts to the stress. Do you feel sleepless, have physical pain, or lack energy? How about your emotional reaction? How do you feel and how do you manage your feelings? Finally, what do you do? Are you actively finding ways to solve the problem, or do you avoid the situation and wait for others to solve the problem? In this page, we are providing some examples that illustrate healthy and effective mind-body-emotion behavior responses in managing stress. You may revise your responses as needed. When you respond to stress, how are you doing in each area? Are you doing better in some places than others? I hope by now you have better insights about your stress management patterns and a better understanding of how stress impacts you. Here, we want to share with you another way to look at your strengths and weaknesses in your mind, body, emotion, behavior, reaction, or coping with stress. Please mark down your strong areas in the teacher's workbook. If you would like to have a more concise self-assessment, please use MWL Toolkit link to do self-assessment. If you complete the survey, you will get a personalized and tailored report based on your answers. This is a tool that has been used by over 150 teachers and found to be helpful. We would encourage you to give it a try. Let's continue to build on your knowledge about yourself. Now we would like you to write down 3 goals for maintaining or improving your wellness. You can try to set your goals to be SMART goals, specific with detail, measurable, achievable, and realistic, relevant, result-oriented, and time-bound, with a clear deadline to see the progress. For example, you can say, I'd like to reduce my relationship stress with a specific person by reducing the number of fights to 2 per week in 1 month. Please pause the video and write down your goal in the teacher's workbook. For each of your wellness goals, now you are going to write down 1 to 2 strategies that you may try or practice to achieve your goal. For example, for the improving relationship goal that we just illustrated, I can say I'd like to improve my communication and conflict management skills and spend time together to achieve the goal. Please pause the video and write down your ideas and strategies in the teacher's workbook. Congratulations on accomplishing several very important steps in your journey to achieve a happier, more productive, and balanced you. In our next 2 videos, we are going to share with you 2 very useful strategies for addressing common challenges that many adults are facing. One video is about effective problem-solving strategies, and one video is about effective relationship management, communication, and conflict management strategies. See you in the next video.